Welcome to BK's Kitchen and Craft. Today I'm taking over the channel to show you how to make a simple cup of chai. Now you must be wondering who I am. Well, you know the person who always films and edits BK's videos? That's me! Without further ado, let's get started with the recipe, shall we? For this recipe we're going to need black or green cardamom, cloves, chai patti, water, milk, and chai masala, which is optional. So before we turn on our stove, depending on what cup you're using, you're gonna get a half cup of water and pour it into the pot. Now that we turned on our stove, we're gonna wait for the water to get hot. Now that our water is hot, we're gonna add our optional chai masala, which we actually have a video of how to make. You can check it out by clicking on the card in the corner. Let's now add our cloves. Okay, so now it's time to add our cardamom. Now, whether it's green cardamom or black cardamom, what you're gonna wanna do is crush the seeds out. And once you have the seeds out, you're gonna wanna crush the seeds as well with preferably with a rolling pin. Once you've done that, add it into the chai. The reason why you want to crush the seeds is so then it's open and all the flavor gets infused into the chai. And now time for the most important ingredient that makes it a cup of chai is our chai patti. Now you can use a tea bag, or you can grab a packet of chai patti from your local Asian store or Indian store. Okay, so now that we've let our chai patti boil with the rest of the ingredients, we're now going to add a half cup of milk just so it makes a little over 1 cup, but not too much. Now we're gonna let our chai boil. Now this is a very important step because I've faced this issue many times because of my carelessness. So what you want to do is you want to stay there with your chai as it boils, because once it starts rising up, you're gonna want to turn it off and turn off the stove at the very last second. And if you don't, well, your kitchen's gonna be a mess, or more specifically, your stove will be a mess. But if you follow the steps, you'll be perfectly fine. Okay, so it's starting to rise up. Now, this is important. So when you see a line form around the chai, that's when you want to turn off your stove. And just waiting for it. And now let's put it in a cup. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take a strainer, put it on top of your cup or your mug, whatever you're using, and very carefully, depending on what pot you're using, you're gonna want to use a towel and pick up your pot and just pour in your chai, just as I'm doing now. Ah, that's perfect. Perfect 1 cup of chai. And now just gonna put that over here. Here's our simple cup of chai ready to drink. You can add honey or sugar. I personally use honey whenever I make BK a cup of chai. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. This isn't something we normally do, but we thought it'd be fun to mix things up a bit once in a while. If you want me to be in more videos, do let us know in the comments. Don't forget to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. your support doesn't only motivate BK to keep making videos, it also motivates me to keep filming and editing her videos. If you want to stay up to date, don't forget to hit the bell icon and follow the official BK's Kitchen and Craft Facebook page to get updates on the latest uploads. But enough from me. Go enjoy your cup of chai, and we will see you all next week. Until then, have a great rest of your week and take care.